Today I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 using AI tools. Firstly, we're going to make apps using AI, but there are two ways to make money from them. First one is using the app yourself and selling service it provides. For example, you have an app and you could sell a service from it that people need. The second way you could benefit money from app is selling the app itself to other people or businesses. You could post your app on different platforms where you could earn money from them. This is going to be our blueprint to make the app. First thing is come up with a viral video idea. So to come up with a viral video idea, what I usually do is I go to any browser that I have and I search for ChatGPT. As you know, we always use ChatGPT for many of the stuff. Finding a viral video idea, you could start using ChatGPT and it's a good thing. So you could use a book and sketch your idea on the book, but for now, I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to give me viral apps idea. And it gave me one. It's called Ecomi, AI powered voice doppelganger. And this is like idea that gives you, and if you don't want to give you this idea or a different idea that you got and you don't like it, you could tell it to go and give me another idea, and when it gives you another idea, as long as you keep continuing, you could find your goal or your idea that you want. So what I usually do is I use Excel or Google Sheets. I open it and I collect all the ideas in Google Sheets or Excel. And when I collect the ideas, after that, I rate them and I see which idea is better. And you could after use the idea. Now you want to do a bit of a research, and when you do a bit of a research, you could find whatever you want. The next thing is build the app with AI tools. So how are we going to build the app is we're going to be using an AI tool called Vault.new. I'm going to link the app and the website in the description. And we're going to be here with this AI tool. You could feed it the idea, you could feed it the context, and you could feed it the structure of the app, and it will give it to you with the coding. So this is the easiest way that you could do it. You could also code it by yourself, but here I don't think so. You want to take that whole time to code a full app. But if you're a professional programmer, you could do that. So my app idea for today is going to be food cooking app that makes you ideas. And I'm asking it, it's gonna tell us a little about yourself. I'm just gonna say no now. Make sure you log in because you can't do it. Now it's thinking. And based on a request, I'll create a beautiful food cooking app that provides you recipes, ideas, and inspiration. This will, and blah, blah, blah. So it's making the app. I'm gonna skip to the end. So this is the app. As you see, it created a full app, and now it looks like a website, but it can also be a website and an app, and you can click this one to review. You can see in a different way. So this is what you have. It's what we have. Now, let me think. English breakfast. I'll look for English breakfast. It doesn't have it, but I can look for these breakfast things and smooth. We have some, pizza and poached eggs and toast. So we have this. Now, I'll tell it to add AI and that if you. So what I wrote is add an AI that will tell you things that you want to eat, like for example, sweet things, and the AI will make it for you and will give you the recipe. Click enter and let's see what is it gonna make me. Okay, so as you see, it made the AI feature in it. So ask AI chat. Right here, it's like an AI tool. integrated in here. You could, what you could do is you could connect ChatGPT with the API key, and you could give it the API key and it will generate. But I don't want that for this video. For example, right here for the command that we have to the AI, I could say I have chicken, rice, and vegetables, and it's gonna answer me with these perfect recipes for me. Thinks it's perfect. And this one, sorry, chicken Thai soup. I never tried that. Okay, so as you see, the full AI is published. Now you have your full app. You could, what you could do is you could add more features to it and talk to the AI of the website. But for now, I'll stick with this app for me. Now for the last step, which is kind of to monetize it and also publish the app. What you could do is to publish it, you could just click here and publish this application, and it's gonna tell you how is it gonna be published and how is it gonna happen. If you want to publish the app and make money from it, you could go to a platform called Strip, and in this platform you could get some services that you could connect with this app and you could sell them. It's simple. You could search it on YouTube and you can find it, but I can't cover it into this video, sorry. And you could tell the app, tell the AI, I want you to sell like this service to people. So don't make everything free. For example, I usually think of it as you have premium things and you have basic things. You could make a package for premium that unlocks a lot of stuff and features in the app. So right here, I'm trying to publish it and it tells me there's an error. I'm just gonna click retry. It might be just a normal error that always happens. Okay, so right here, it tells me I have initiated the application process. Let me check the publishing stats for you. Your site has been successfully published. You can visit it. So now I have a site. This is the site and it's the app. So the app is kind of also a website, just like how I mentioned before. But right here, it's a site and also could be an app. And to transfer this Netlify project to your own account, you can use this claim URL. Let's kind of see what's in it. Oh, and from here, the Unify, you could log into your GitHub or GitLab and you could enter it. I'm not gonna cover this in the video, but this is one of the ways you could publish it, and that's it. That's all you have. You could also, what you could do is right here you could connect Strip to get payments, by the way. What you could also do is you could download the whole app, click on this 3 dots and export and download. Right here you could download and you could do some things of coding and you can edit the app. And at the same time, you could also export it to Expo, the other website, but I don't have covered this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. If this video helped you, subscribe to see more of making money things and technology. Have a great day and goodbye.